Hello, it's Nicky Dee and I'm here today to show you how to put together this T-Rex model. Now, you're not going to need a stapler, you don't need any sellotape, you don't need any scissors or glue, put those away. All you need is a little bit of time and some space, and I think you'll probably need an adult. You'll need a grown-up or a big sister or brother to give you a hand. So let's get going. I'll put this one that I made earlier, I'll put it away for now. And here we have our kit. Let's see what we've got inside. Open it up, and here we have your book all about the T-Rex that you can read later and find out all about this dinosaur and what made it so special. And then we've got the instructions. They're nice and easy to follow. They're just photographs with numbers on. So don't get too excited at the beginning and pop all the pieces out because you won't know what number they are. So it's best that if you have all your pieces of card ready, then you can just do them in order from 1 to 50. So here we go. The first two pieces are quite big, number 1 and number 2. So it might be a good idea to get Mum and Dad to give you a hand just to pop out the first two, and then you can do all the rest. And here we have it, the final masterpiece. It's very, very light, and there's a hole in the back here so that you could easily hang it on your bedroom wall. Now we know that the scientists are still deciding exactly what colour the dinosaur's skin was. So whilst they decide, you could colour yours in any design or pattern that you like. Now, one thing to do is to make sure that you colour it in before you pop out the pieces, because remember, you need to know what number each piece is so that you can follow the instructions. And here we have the book with all the latest information all about the mighty T-Rex, so you can find out where it was discovered, what's been discovered, who discovered it, and much, much more. And if you'd like to share a picture of your final creation, just ask Mum and Dad to look at the description below and you'll find out how to get onto our social media pages. So until we meet again, keep roaring!